This soft, juicy and delicious chicken tikka is perfect for your sandwiches, wraps, rolls. So let's make this tender chicken cuts with deliciously flavorful taste. These juicy flavor bombs I have used in a whole wheat wrap. That's a chicken tikka egg whole wheat wrap, and this is one of my favorite recipes. So stay tuned for the entire video and do try this delicious recipe. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page. Do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's begin with this awesome recipe. So for this recipe I have taken a boneless chicken breast. I have cut it into small chunks around 250 gram. Some garlic paste, ginger paste I have added. You can also add grated garlic and grated ginger. And to this I will be adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. This will nicely relax the muscles of this chicken. Red chilli flakes 1 teaspoon I have added. You can add according to your taste. Some cumin powder around half a teaspoon goes in. And this I will be adding some more flavors. Kashmiri red chilli powder for the color around 1 teaspoon. And I have added some coriander powder. Basic spices that we all have in our homes. Garam masala powder half a teaspoon. And to this I will be adding Kasuri Methi or dried fenugreek leaves for that extra taste. Black pepper powder half a teaspoon goes in, and some chaat powder I will be using. Salt I will be using according to taste, and curd I will be using around 2 to 3 tablespoons. So this all goes in, and I just need to marinate this chicken with all the spices and the condiments for around half an hour. So for that I will first nicely mix it. You can see this beautiful color comes from the Kashmiri red chilli that I have used. That's it. It's enough marination to give the beautiful flavor. This I have covered in a cling film, and I'll just marinate for 30 minutes if you want. Minimum 30 minutes. If you want, you can keep it overnight, or 3 to 4 hours is just okay. So after 30 minutes I have heated some cooking oil around 4 tablespoons in a pan. Heat the pan in medium flame, and once the oil is nicely heated I have added the chicken pieces. The main trick to make succulent and juicy chicken cuts here is that we need to sear the outer surface of the chicken. So once we add the chicken, keep it undisturbed for around 30 to 40 seconds so that the heat seals the chicken, and all the moisture that remains inside will make it juicy and succulent. And I have left it for around 40-50 seconds. Then I have nicely mixed it. Again I will wait for more 40 to 50 seconds so that all the sides of the chicken it's nicely sealed. You can see there is not a single drop of chicken juice because the chicken has nicely sheared. It has nicely been trapped. The moisture has been trapped. And after 2 to 3 minutes of sauteing this chicken on medium to high flame, now it's time to reduce the flame to lowest, and I'll cover it and leave for 5 to 6 minutes so that this chicken pieces will be nicely cooked from inside. Our task is done. This trick always applies for me. I hope this works out for you too. And after 3 to 4 minutes you can see this chicken has nicely softened. It's perfectly done. It just takes 5 to 6 minutes, nothing more than that. And you can see there is no extra moisture and it's perfectly done. Just let me show you one piece how nicely the spices have coated. You can see, and it's done. Cooking chicken in this way completely ensures the juiciness of the chicken. That's my guarantee. In this way you will never feel it's rubbery or hard, and every time you will get perfectly juicy, roasted and succulent chicken pieces for your sandwiches, wraps. And as for this recipe, as I said, I have made whole wheat egg chicken tikka wraps. I'll do post this recipe completely in my next video. Stay tuned. But for the moment, do enjoy this chicken tikka recipe, and I hope this time you make chicken tikka, it turns out to be super soft and super delicious. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Divyasha Mahapatra. She writes, "So delicious Didi, I have been watching your videos since a long time ago and got very useful tricks to make my recipe delicious. I want to give you a lot of thanks from the core of my heart because by following your recipe ideas, I have got many good compliments from my family, friends and colleagues." Thank you so much Divyasha for such a beautiful comment. I am so glad that my recipes are not only liked by you but also by your near and dear ones. Thank you for letting me know, and I hope this recipe and this trick also will be loved by you. Thank you so much again. Stay safe and stay connected. And for today's recipe, do try these tips and tricks to make juicy and succulent chicken tikka for your recipes. If you have loved today's video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. You can also follow Sue's Food Corner in Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.